In the last video, you saw that I was trying to decide between the Battleborns or the Lithionics. Well, I sent the Battleborns packing. FedEx came and picked them up today, actually. And I had the Lithionics 315 amp hour beast installed in the same place that two AGMs were there before. And so in a leisure travel van, you know that's a big deal. I got 315 amp hours in the same footprint as two AGMs. It's like 3 times the batteries. I also took out our 2,000 watt inverter, put in a 3,000 watt inverter. I took the air conditioning, rooftop air, and I put that over on the inverted breaker, so I'm able to run the air conditioning. Now, it's a little chilly here in Dallas this time of year. It's February. And so running the air conditioner, you know, I'm not going to do that test yet, but I'm going to do it soon. I've already ran the furnace. That actually does fine, but of course that's just a fan blower. The propane does most of that work. But anyway, I'm going to show you how it fits. I'm going to show you where the inverter and how that fits. All of it goes in the same place. I didn't have to modify anything. And then you have to do a little bit of a settings change on your Sterling BB1230, which is the battery to battery charger that lets your alternator on your Mercedes charge the lithium. So let's just look at real quick where it all went. So as you can see, the 315 amp hour battery fits in there perfectly. Actually, it takes up less of a footprint than the two AGMs I had in there, or the two lithiums that I was going to put in there, the 100 amp hours. And so I am super glad that I chose this direction, put in 315 amp hours in the space of where I literally had basically 100 amp hours of AGM, 100 amp hours usable. Yeah, it was two 100 amp hour batteries, but as you know, with an AGM, you can't deplete those under 50% without risking damaging those batteries. So you really only have 100 amp hours. This bad boy, I've got over 300 usable amp hours in a single battery in the place of two AGMs. Now, in a leisure travel van where you have a limited capacity anyway in storage, this is perfect. And now, let's look at where that inverter goes. Okay, so we bought the Xantrex XC Pro 3000 inverter charger. That replaced our XC Freedom 2000 that came with our leisure travel van. I put in the 3000. One, it's going to charge that big battery a lot faster. Also, we are going to be able to run our air conditioning. How long? I have no idea. We're going to test that as soon as the weather warms up. Even if it's just for 30 minutes, you know, that's a big plus for me, because all we had to do was literally move the air conditioner breaker over to the inverted side. Simple as that. And so now you can run the air conditioner off our 3000 Xantrex inverter and our 315 amp hour Lithionics battery. That is a huge win. If you hear the airplanes, my office is about 5 minutes from DFW Airport. Therefore, you know, that's a good sign, though. People are actually flying and traveling. It's good. We're hearing more and more airplanes go over. Anyway, so the install was super, super easy. As you can see, plenty of room in here where leisure travel vans have their inverters put. So the 3000 is literally only a few millimeters larger in every direction than the 2000. So I still have plenty of room. I can reach back there. I can hit the power button if I need to, and get to those settings as well. So couldn't be more pleased with our brand new setup. And so if you want more information, I got the info below on how to get a Lithionics battery. They're not selling direct to public, but they will. So anyway, check it out if you want a Lithionics battery. Okay, so here we go. We are up on the passenger seat. This is where your Sterling BB1230 battery-to-battery charger is located. It's in a very difficult place, and so you have to kind of monkey around to get it. But anyway, so there's two clips right here. You just pull those down. That comes out. You lift that up, and this white thing that you see there, that is the Sterling. So in order to change it, you have to pull these clips out right here. I'm telling you, this is difficult. If you pulled the whole seat out, it'd be super easy, but well, I didn't want to do that. So anyway, so I just used my phone to look at the actual LED lights up here to tell me what setting was on. I was able to fiddle the buttons until I got it to the lithium settings. I did it, and so can you. So don't pull the seat out unless you just absolutely cannot do it. But it's once you do it, it's set for life. You don't have to worry about anything else. Alright, so that is the install of the Lithionics 315 amp hour battery. As you can see, it fits perfectly where the battery is supposed to go in this Unity FX, in under the stairwell where there were 2 AGM batteries there. It's actually a little smaller, like I said. And so I highly recommend this install. The only thing that was difficult was changing that sterling because I didn't take the seat off. Take the seat off would be a lot easier, but I don't really recommend doing that because I was able to get it to the lithium setting without doing that. It was just a little bit of time using your phone as your eyes and fiddling around with the buttons, and I got it done. So anyway, be sure to subscribe because we are going to be doing a video as soon as it heats up a little bit in Dallas in February. I mean, it's pretty nice out. It's 50 today. But anyway, we are going to be filming how long the air conditioner lasts. So I'm excited to see that. I don't know if it's going to be 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 3 hours. I'm really excited to see that. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss that video. Anyway, like this video, comment down below if there's other videos that you would like to see, or if you've got questions about the Lithionics. Be happy to answer those for you. But anyway, we'll catch you next time.